Hello everyone, it's Mommy Chu and Baby Chu over here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to show you how we make the popular cassava and beans mixture. Enjoy. This is big cassava. So many ladies like big cassava, right? Let me show you how to make dish out of big cassava. Guys, this is what we need: cassava plus our beans, of course, since it is a mixture of beans and cassava. And I'm going to serve it with some greens. And this is my ingredients I'm going to use to fry it. After peeling our cassava very well, now we are going to chop it into small pieces. Now we have our small pieces of cassava, so we are going to mix them with beans. Now we are going to fry our ingredients. This is cooking oil, so I have onions, I have carrots, I have tomato and green pepper, and all of them organic and fresh. First we put there our onions. So when the onion turns in brown color, so you can add in green pepper, plus our carrots. And when these are also cooked, you can add in tomatoes. Reiko. It helps to make our soup healthy. Now it's time to mix our ingredients in beans and cassava. Let me cover it for about 30 minutes. Now we are going to mix it so that our ingredients can saturate. And just like that, our beans and the cassava dish is ready. Now let me prepare our greens. We are going to serve it with greens. With our cassava and beans dish. Now guys, the greens are also ready. Now it's time to serve our dish. And this is our final product. And some greens.